Hi, you all Geminis. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a while because I've remained absent because of certain things that happen in my personal life as well. So I'm back on track and I'll be doing these regular readings for you. So today's reading, this is going to be your January 2021 love reading. So Happy New Year, everyone. Today is January 1st, so I'm very excited to be doing this reading for you. I hope it helps and resonates to you. So, let us get started. At first, I'd like to ask Spirit Guides, what is your general energy at the moment? Okay, so Spirit Guides, what is the general energy of my Gemini friends who are with me at the moment, please? What is the general energy? What is the general energy, please? I saw Two of Cups. All right. So, Gemini, this is your general energy. Knight of Wands. You are passionate about something or someone. The Tower. You have recently been taken out of your comfort zone, if I'm not mistaken. And the High Priestess. Your intuition is all-time high. Definitely, you have been through certain thing in life in the recent past. You have been through certain tower moment. Probably you breakup is what I'm hearing. Probably you ended a relationship with someone, or maybe something something related to your career, to your job happened, or maybe you lost someone, or something happened, tower moment. Yeah, I'm hearing support system taken away. Had anything as such happened in your recent past, Gemini? I feel so. I feel like either you were taken out of comfort zone, or either you were made to do, you were compelled to do something which you dreaded in the past. Okay, or there was a massive support system in your life, be it emotional or psychological or financial or any other type, but there was a support system, and recently you lost that, is the sense that I'm getting. But because of whatever you have been through, because of the lesson learned, it seems like you are now valuing certain someone or certain thing. Okay, and your intuition right now is all time high. You are like the High Priestess. Okay, this Knight of Wands could mean your passion for work. Anyways, we'll clarify this Tower card as well as the Knight of Wands. Okay, but the High Priestess is simply indicating that you are very intelligent right now. You are almost like able to read people's minds. You are able to read people's minds, and you um, basically know what is going to happen next, what is going to be the reaction of the people who are around you. um, you are able to tell before anything happens that this is going to happen. You are able to tell that, you know and that is why you are highly intuitive right now, and you are working accordingly, and you are very very passionate about something. Okay, first I would like to clarify the Tower card. Okay, why is the Tower card here, Spirit Guides, for my Gemini friends? Why is the Tower card here? Why is the Tower card here? Thank you very much. Okay, these are the clarifiers for the Tower card. Page of Wands. Somebody who was only after passion, who was highly romantic, but who was also slightly immature in age than you, or maybe not by age literally, but somebody who was very lively, somebody who had child spirit was in your life. And you appreciated this person, but Recently something broke your heart, that is why the tower moment is here. And page of wands is clarifying tower moment, which means that certain someone was there in your life, was there, or maybe still is there, but you have found out, you have discovered certain thing, I'm so sorry, you discovered certain thing about this person which has left you shook, that is why tower card. Either you found out the involvement of a third party, or you were able to figure out that this person is all about passion and sex and romance and nothing else. You can now tell that this person is not that much invested when it comes to long term relationships, and that has caused the tower moment. You are heavily questioning this person. For some of you, this person is still there in your life and you are trying to decide what to do next. And for some of you, you have recently broken your relationship with this person. Yeah, based upon your intuition. Yes, yes, yes. I just heard that. You ended this relationship, or maybe you haven't fully expressed to this person, but in your mind, you have already broken up with this person. Maybe you are yet to tell them, for some of you, okay? But yes, your intuition has been guiding you, and that is why, because it doesn't seem right, you are walking away. That is the sense that I'm getting. But then definitely it is not easy for you to walk away, because you had already seen certain dreams with this person, is the sense that I'm getting. You had trusted this person a lot, no matter how this person looked at the relationship, but you were deeply invested in it. And for some of you, because page is here, this person might have been younger than you in age, for some of you, okay, or slightly immature. All right, so what is this knight of wands all about, spirit guides? What is the knight of wands all about? What is the knight of wands all about? Please tell us why knight of wands is here. What is it that my Geminis are passionate about? Queen of cups, yes. I think ace of pentacles, okay. So yes, because ace of pentacles showed up, it seems like you are starting something new in business, something related to money, you know earning money, making profit. Ace of pentacles. So when I clarified knight of wands, what came is queen of cups and ace of pentacles. Basically, you want everything in life, Gemini, okay? You want love, you're passionate about that deeply, spiritually satisfying relationship. Plus you also want to do really well when it comes to your work. Basically, you want a fulfilling life, and it's not that you are sitting there and wanting, you are ready to work. You are working like the knight of wands. That is your energy at the moment. You are all fully energetic, and you somewhere felt like this page who was there in your life, slightly immature, flighty kind of person whom you had to deal with in the past. You felt like this person was a major distraction, and hence you followed your intuition and you left this person. You have left this person, and now what you're looking for is a fulfilling relationship. You don't want such flighty person anymore. You want somebody matured, somebody who vibrates at the same level that a high priestess like you is vibrating, whose energy matches your energy, whom you can rely upon, who is himself or herself so much knowledgeable that you can depend upon them. And by knowledgeable, I didn't mean only the academic knowledge. You basically want an all-rounder, somebody who has a good understanding of life, who has been through certain things in life, and hence is a learned person through all the experiences that he or she has been. Okay, so that kind of person is what you are awaiting, and you are ready to give everything, that you have, every ounce of emotion that your heart can hold. You are ready to give that. You are like Queen of Cups. You are simply waiting for this person. You are waiting for such person to arrive. Maybe some of you have already seen such person in your vicinity, and that person is in your mind while you are watching this. And for some of you, you could be single right now. Maybe there is nobody as such in your surrounding, nobody whom you are interested on, or nobody who has shown such interest upon you, but definitely you would be very happy to have such person in your life. But at the same time, you're thinking of your life overall, is the sense that I'm getting. You are like, you have been through certain things in your career life as well, and you have been through certain things in your personal life as well. And what you are trying to do now is you are trying to keep balance. You want a well balanced life, and you are determined to achieve that. It is wonderful. You are doing great, Gemini. Look at this. What are you passionate about? You are passionate about that emotionally satisfying relationship indicated by Queen of Cups card, and you are passionate about the work that you do. Whatever you do, you love your work, and you want to give it all, and you want a comfortable life which you want to share with such partner who is able to fulfill you, just fill you up. This is beautiful. Okay, so what is the prospect of love life then? If there is someone in their surrounding, or if there is nobody around my Gemini, then what is the prospect of love? Will they be able to talk to that one person who's in their mind, or will they be able to meet that person in the month of January? Spirit guides, please show us clearly. Thank you. Look at this. Celebration is ahead. Whether you have such person, whether you have anybody in your mind right now or not, celebration is definitely ahead of you. Spirit guides are like, you know, yes, basically, Gemini, what I'm feeling right now is that you are doing everything right. You're so logical right now, but not harshly logical. You are all guided by passion as well, emotion. You are emotional, you are compassionate, but at the same time, you are highly intelligent. Basically, the dual force of Gemini is working, and balancing really well right now. And spirit guides are like somebody who vibes so well. There's no way that such person will remain single for a long time. Geminis are so attractive. Geminis are so adorable. They are so good with speech, right? So look at this. I think people are going to, fight for you. Ooh, there are three people who are celebrating. I don't know why I'm getting that. Yeah, so Knight of Swords. Yes, you want somebody truthful. You are Gemini, you are air sign. You believe in thoughts, you believe in expressions of those thoughts. You are full of thoughts all the time. Your mind is all the time running, right? It's always working. Whether you are speaking or not, even at the time when you are sleeping, without your knowing, your mind is active. It is full of thoughts all the time. So look at this. Knight of Swords. Swords represents thoughts, words, expressions. Okay. So basically, you want relationship with such person who also believes in expressions as much as you do, and that person is definitely going to arrive. Look at this. Knight of Swords will approach you. Now this Knight of Swords, you might have already met, or you might be yet to meet, but definitely 2021 is going to bring you that lover of yours. And yes, two of wands, which means creating balance, plus this also means, wait, just wait and watch. That is what spirit guides are saying. Wait for the right time. Wait for your ships to arrive. When it does, then it will bring in exactly what you need, and you'll be happy. Okay, Gemini. So this is the message for you. I'm very happy to have done such a positive reading for you. If it helps and resonates, please subscribe to my channel. If you feel connected to me, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll be seeing you again. Bye, Gemini. Happy New Year.